She like 5'1", honey, hella fine, low key, shorty mad, whoa, that's the shit we on. Looking natural, self love, it's a good thing. Smell like ass.
What's good, curly headed cuties? It is fall and it is protective style season. So if you guys are interested in how I got this pretty burgundy reddish look using the KiyahKollection bundles, stay tuned and keep watching. So jumping right into the video, I'm just actually showing you guys how I pre-bleached the hair. So I didn't really record that process because it was just lightener and the developer. Now for this hair, I did not really bleach the back. I put bleach on the back, but I did the top of the head first so that would lighten the highest. But I didn't leave the bleach on for too long because I knew that I was going to go reddish burgundy, so I didn't need the hair to be super bright. So I did insert this clip here just for visual purposes, for people who do want to use this color or go this color and don't know how bright they should bleach their hair. But for the colors, I use Adore Intense Red, Crimson, and Feisty Fuchsia. So it's basically like a dark red, a bright red, and then like a dark purple. And I knew that mixing the two reds together would definitely give me like a darker red, but I wanted a little bit of purple in there so it will give me like that burgundy tint. This color actually was very easy to achieve once I bleached the hair and I did the hot water method. That was pretty much it for the color, so I'm not really going to talk through that process because like I said, it's the basic hot water method in my kitchen sink. But let's get into these hair deets. So once again, this hair is the body wave texture from the KiyahKollection. The website is KiyahKollection.com. I received 3 bundles of body wave in inches 16, 18, and 20. And then I also got a 4x4 closure that was 14 inches. Overall, I was really happy with these bundles. Just the simple fact that they lifted and they didn't have like an orangey tone. It was more like a reddish tone. You couldn't really see that in the video, but it definitely gave me off like a reddish tone, so it just went perfect with the color that I planned on achieving. Like I said, I didn't leave the bleach on for long, so for it to even come up the color that it did, I was really like excited and proud about that. I do have a discount code for you guys. The discount code is LexusHair10 for 10% off your entire order. So make sure you shop and use the code LexusHair10. All right, now to the fun part. So if you're new here, you may not know, but if you're a regular, you already know what's good. I am like, I can do frontals all day long, but when it comes to closures, it's just not my thing. So I was really excited to see what I could do with this closure. So let me know what y'all think I could have did better or what I could do better next time. But here you just see me trying to like adjust the wig and get it pretty comfortable so that we can get into like the full installation process. Overall, I think the color came out great though. The only thing is, or my advice, if you're going to do this color on your wig, hair, whatever, don't bleach the roots first. Normally the roots don't come up the color I want, so I decided to do the roots first this time, and they did come out a little bit brighter than the rest of the hair, but at the end I feel like it turned out okay. So I rocked with it. We just gonna keep going. So to lay the lace down, of course, I'm going in with my Got To Be Glued. And when I did make the wig, I just want to say that I did pull the closure a little bit further off of the wig cap so that I can have like a little space so that when I put the wig on, my edges wouldn't be directly be sticking out the side of the wig, if that makes sense. You don't have to do that, but that's just my preference. So if you guys are wondering why my closure looks so much further up than my actual hairline, that is why. But I'm just doing the basic Got To Be install. You spray the Got To Be on your forehead and you run the blow dryer on cool so that the Got To Be can become like a little sticky. Once it's sticky, you go ahead and lay the lace down and kind of like push the lace into that Got To Be, and you would do the same method when it comes to any type of lace glue. It's kind of like learning all over again because I really don't do closures like that. But I just wanted to tell you guys, when it comes to like the corners of the actual closure, for me, I had to apply just a little bit more got to be glued to make sure that that was down. And when you get a closure, there's normally like this little band on the side. I don't know how to explain it. If you ever got a closure, you know what I'm talking about. It's around the whole perimeter of the closure. When I did my closure, I actually cut that band off so that I would get a more seamless install. So now that the wig is applied, I pretty much just pulled out the little hairs that I wanted for the baby hair, and I'm just showing you guys my edges. Now when I do closures, I just go ahead and put some edge control and kind of just like swoop my edges back and out the way, because the whole purpose of having on a wig is pretty much to not deal with your own hair. So I'm not gonna do too much to my hair when I have on any type of wig, closure, frontal, it doesn't matter. So I'm just swooping those out the way, making them look neat, so if the wind blow, I'm not looking crazy under the middle part. So before I actually get into the baby hair situation, I am just going to pull those back a little bit to cut the lace. For the best results, I definitely do recommend cutting your lace with a like eyebrow razor, but I couldn't find mine. So I used my scissors and I tried to do my best zigzag cut that I could. But like I said, best results, you'll definitely get those with a eyebrow razor or any razor. Now that I'm finished with the lace, I'm just making sure everything is still laying down. If it's not, just go back in with your lace glue, got to be glue, whatever you want to call it. But for my baby hairs, I always cut them first and then I kind of swoop and loop them with my styling foam. It doesn't really matter what styling foam you use, just as long as it's a styling foam. I feel like you get the best results with that. I'm not really going to talk through the baby hair process because it's trial and error with baby hairs when it comes to wigs. You have to just play with them and keep swooping them until you get the look that you're going for. So y'all will see me kind of like just messing with these for a while, and I haven't had colored hair in so long that I just was trying to get my eyes back used to it because I just been boring for so long. But it's fall, like I said, it's protective style season, so let's get it. After the super duper long baby hair process, I did go in with a wax stick to kind of like help flatten down and lay my wig down. Now, let me tell y'all something. If you don't have a wax stick, you need to get one because these things work miracles, especially if you go back in after with your hot comb. Like your hair is going to be like super duper flat. Your wig is going to be on flat flat, and it's just on period. So I'm going in and just trying to make sure that all the tracks are covered, along with a little extra touch-ups, like putting some concealer in my part, and then later on in a little bit, you'll see me putting some more concealer like on the lace. The lace was a brownish color. I wouldn't say it was dark brown. It was just like a brownish, had like a brownish tint to it. So I did have to apply a little bit more concealer to the actual lace, like around the baby hairs, just to make it look a little bit more natural for me. But it also depends on you and your skin tone and what matches you, but you just do what works for you. But look at the wig, it's on flat, okay, period. So after my little touch-ups here and there, I'm gonna go in with my curling iron just to do some really quick curls. And this is the hair without any product in it. Also, I didn't spray anything, use anything, or apply anything to the hair. This is just strictly after the wash, after applying the color with the hot water method. So as you can see, the body wave is actually a wave after it's freshly washed. So definitely is some for real virgin, true virgin body wave hair, but the curling process is pretty self-explanatory as well. So let's talk about this giveaway. So the giveaway will have three winners. So the first winner will receive three bundles, 16, 18, and 20 inches with a 14-inch closure. The second winner will receive a pair of lashes and some shades, and then the third winner will receive two pairs of the lashes, all from the KiyahKollection. Now the rules are as follows. There's going to be a post. You're going to share this post to your story, and then you're going to tag the page. Secondly, you're going to tag two friends under the post, and the winners will be chosen at random. Like I said, all the instructions and directions and all that good stuff is going to be down in the description box, and maybe I'll pin a comment in the comment section as well, so you guys know what page to get the post from and everything else. But make sure you guys enter in this giveaway. Once again, the first winner will receive three bundles and a closure. The second winner will receive lashes and some shades, and then the third winner will receive two pairs of lashes. So just make sure that y'all check all the information and enter in this giveaway so y'all can get y'all some goodies. All right, y'all. So we all curled up, slayed up with the KiyahKollection body wave bundles. I'm just going in and fixing up the edges that I may have messed up. Once again, side note, that's the great thing about foam. You could just always go in and fix it. But I'm just gonna take my big teeth comb and I'm just combing through the curls, just to give me a more like messy look. And overall, I feel like this hair looks amazing in here. Now that the hair is curled, you can definitely see the darker tones of the burgundy at the bottom half of the hair versus the top half. That's what I really was going for. So I was really hyped after I made this wig and everything was all finished and stuff like that. I don't really do middle parts like that, and the fact that I was like a fan of this is absolutely crazy. But once again, I am wearing three bundles of the body wave textures in inches 16, 18, and 20 with a 14-inch 4x4 closure, and I must say we look good. Okay, so once you get your hair done, you looking all fresh and stuff, you just got to make sure that everything is gonna come together. So you got to beat your face afterwards. So in a second, y'all gonna see, and the whole look just came together. It was banging. It looked good. KiyahKollections, go shop. Everything will be in the description box. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and turn your notification bells on. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in the next one.